This is the smartest bird in the world. Crows have intelligence that can be compared to a 7-year-old child. They display exceptional problem-solving skills, tackling intricate puzzles with ease using even tools. They can also imitate the sounds of any other animal or thing they hear.
Tell me what's up. What's up? What's up? Oh, I know.
I know, right? I know.
You have a bad cough?
Crows exhibit innovative feeding behaviors, such as leaving nuts on roads for cars to crack, highlighting their ability to capitalize on urban environments. That's why